Following of temperature depends of resistivity topic. The next topic is alpha of conductors. Alpha means temperature coefficient. So for conductors, alpha is positive. If the temperature of a conductor increases, the average kinetic energy of electron in the conductor increases. So if the temperature of conductor increases, the average kinetic energy of electron in the conductor is increases. The very important point for your objective type question also. This result is more frequently collision and hence the resistivity increases. Collide with the electron increases means the resistivity also increases. So the graph equation shown in the figure, this figure, here the resistivity value is increases, the temperature also increases. So even though the resistivity of a conductor like metals varies linear for wide range of temperature, there also exists a non-linear region at a very low temperature. The resistivity approaches some finite value as the temperature approaches absolute zero shown in the figure. As the resistance is directly proportional. This point is very important point. As the resistance is directly proportional to resistivity of the material, we can also write the resistance of the conductor at the temperature T degree Celsius as RT minus R naught 1 plus alpha into T minus T naught. So from this formula, we have to calculate the value of the temperature coefficient. So how will you calculate the temperature coefficient? First rearrange this formula. RT minus R naught is equal to alpha R naught into T minus T naught. The next step is alpha is equal to RT minus R naught. This term moves to the left hand side in the denominator side. So R naught into T minus T naught. So 1 by R naught into del R divided by del T. Del R is nothing but change in resistance. Del T is nothing but change in temperature, where del R is equal to RT minus R naught is the change in resistance. During the change in temperature, del T is equal to T minus T naught. So thank you very much.